Hi, good morning everybody. Steve here from Never Too Late to Travel. Hey guys, I've got a really nice treat for you here in Ubon Ratchathani. I came to this place yesterday. It's called Lux Coffee Roasters, and it's a coffee bar made out of a derelict colonial building, which was formerly also a rice mill, so I'm told. And basically it's been upgraded, and they've got a beautiful coffee bar inside. It's one of the main tourist attractions here in Ubon Ratchathani. So if you're ever in this area, by all means call in. You're not going to be disappointed. The cakes are absolutely lovely and the coffee is something to dream about. So with that, I'm going to take you for a quick walk around because I have to get back to Royet today. I've got another night there, and then the next day after that we'll be heading back to Ubon Ratchathani. So here we are, a little bit of a rainy morning, but it's not going to deter us from doing this video. Word of warning, when we go inside the coffee bar, there's very, very loud copyright music playing, so I won't be able to doing any talking in there. I'll have to do a voiceover after. But it's one of these places that you must come and visit, and it's very, very interesting. So despite the copyright music, we must get this one done. So with that, let's get going. So basically you've seen the outside of the ground, plenty of parking spaces. I believe this machine here in this encased glass enclosure is an old coffee roaster. I can only assume, there's no signs to tell me what it is, but that's what I think it is. Old Mini there as part of the ground decorations, a blue shim block with an old motorcycle outside, and plenty of seating areas. Now as we move further into the grounds, I must apologise to you guys, there's so much copyright music being played here. I've had to edit it out, so hopefully this voiceover will serve a purpose and I can get some decent background music for you. This first little building here is where they prepare some of the dishes for the little restaurant. Very friendly staff there. You can order some stuff and sit outside in the garden, it's not really a problem. But one of the other better places that you should see is this building that's coming up at 12 o'clock. Now this building here is where you can get a variety of small dishes, nothing exceptionally big, but very flavourful and reasonably priced. As you stand back and look at the front door, it's quite exciting to see the inside and see what bits of modernisation they've done with this place. And directly in front of us you'll see the hot plate with all the little dishes. Quite a spacious room actually, and quite a lot of antique-y looking furniture which adds to the ambience of the place, and very comfortable it is too. Ladies very, very friendly, and as I said, price is very reasonable. If you wish to eat there and you want to have a drink to accompany your meal, which is other than a Coca-Cola, you have to order it, and it comes from the main coffee bar area, and that has to be paid separately, which means it's a little bit disjointed, but it's not a big issue. But just be aware of it if you do visit here. And looking from the far end here, very, very spacious room, and very, very nice decor to fit in with the surroundings. I think whoever did all these gardens and buildings and the coffee bar really had a forward-looking vision. I mean, you can't fault the place really. Many, many visitors who come to Udon make this a priority to come and visit this place. And there's the old Colonial House in all its glory. We will be going in there shortly, so don't worry about that. Two absolutely fantastic barge kind of boats that you would find on the Mun River or Mun River, whichever way you want to pronounce it. And these are additional seating areas, I believe, for probably more for a summertime, but not now for a rainy season. There's not many visitors around. And I'm sure all of you have come across the old American yellow bus that sits there in the front. Old American car there. Don't know whether it's a model or a mock-up. They're so good at reproducing stuff in Thailand, you can't really tell whether it's a model one or a rare antique. Old horse-drawn carriage there that's been retouched up and painted, and adds to the garden furniture with the signage there for coffee roasters. And should you have a better day than we're having with the rain, there are some outdoor seating areas. I'm sure you've all seen the yellow buses on American films. This one has been slightly adapted to incorporate seats as additional seating area for customers, but in today's weather, not very user-friendly. In the foreground to the left, just above the white car there is what appears to be a giant guitar, but to be honest guys, I've not been out there to examine it, so I can't really confirm that, but that's what it certainly looks like. Maybe we'll take a walk later and see what it is, just to satisfy my curiosity. So let's take you into the best part of this video, which is the old Colonial House, and you can see how well it's been adapted to incorporate the coffee bar and everything else that goes with it. Really is a splendid transformation, there's no two ways about it. So let's go inside and have a look. As we enter into the coffee bar, you can see it's been fitted out to fit in with the old colonial style, and right in the corner there you can still see the trees growing. They've done an absolutely fantastic job, and as you look up the walls towards the roof, you can see the roof lighting there. With the debris from the trees, etc. Really adds to the authenticity of the place. You can't fault it, and the lighting is like valves that you'd find in an old valve radio. Really, really unusual. Obviously a lot of the glass has been replaced to actually make the place watertight, and the fitting out of all the coffee machines, etc. But the rooms still maintain an aura of mystery, for want of a better word. And again, you can see the trees still growing up inside, up to the walls and up towards the ceiling. And again, the furniture has been decked out as an antique style theme, and really fits in with the whole concept of the place. If you're ever in the area, guys, you must visit this place. It's a one-of experience. There's no two ways about Even the lights that they've even the windows they've installed, they've tried to add an antique look to them by adding different coloured panes of glass. And an old television there. Don't think the television would really fit in with a colonial house, but you never know. So what we're going to do, guys, is walk through this coffee bar, and hopefully I'll be able to take you up to the upper level and give you some views from the top looking down, and also to the outside. Absolutely splendid display of cakes. I can testify to that because the wife had about 2 this morning. She really likes her cakes, Sharon. And again, another room that you can take your coffee and your cake to. Well fitted out in the theme of the place. I must admit, guys, I'm really happy to have found this place and come to visit it. I just thought it would be another coffee bar that had a theme setting, but what a nice surprise it is to actually come here. And I must say, the staff are very friendly. They're very helpful. They'll run around after you and get what you want and give you advice on other local attractions. Old Vespa scooter there in the foreground. We are going to go and climb this iron spiral staircase and have a walk along the second level, give you a better view from up there. Don't think the model car really fits in with the place, but must be the owner's child. And again, more trees growing inside, and see the staff watering the roots. Fascinating place, absolutely fascinating. So with that, let's head up to the second level and see what remains to be discovered, for want of a better word. Yeah, climbing this staircase, it really gives you a better view of the building below, and you can see more trees growing up the walls. Really interesting place, guys. Shouldn't miss this. Another tree growing up the corner there, and that view there leads back across to the other room where the coffee bar and the coffee machines are situated. And here, through this door, you can actually go out into a balcony, but not today because it's raining. If you're into photography, I'm sure you'd get some excellent views here that you probably wouldn't find anywhere else. Absolutely fantastic view. Really pleased. Well, I must say I'm really happy that I did take the trouble to come back and to make this video on the video camera rather than do it on my phone. I can now edit out all the copyright music and try and do a decent voice overlay for you and upload it to YouTube should you be interested in coming here. Certainly give you an idea of what to expect. And that's the outdoor balcony seating area. I'm led to believe that the premises, this whole Colonial House, doesn't belong to the coffee bar. I'm led to believe that the owner rents it from the property owner. Old chandelier there. Well, not so much of a chandelier as a hanging light. So we'll head off down the spiral staircase again and give you a glimpse of the outside. Don't really know whether that vesper actually fits in with the theme of the place, but it's certainly another item that you can take a photograph of. These doors fascinate me. They've been modernised to be really strong, and obviously keep those unwanted people out at the night. Leaves it nice and secure, and additional seating on the porch area of the house. So that, guys, virtually brings us to the end of this video tour. I hope you found it as interesting as we did. Sorry about the voiceover, but when people play copyright music and you want to make a video, you don't really have a lot of choice. So we're going to head off and go and try and find another location, providing the rain stops off. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. We're really struggling for subscribers at the moment. 320-30 videos and only nearly 900 subscribers. Really would like to reach 1,000 if you'd like to help us. So with that, my friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care of yourself.